I can tell you beyond the shadow of a doubt that your choice of partners in life can either destroy you or uplift you. The first thing you can do is to seek that joy in your own life, but the next thing you can literally do is find somebody who's just as healthy and giving as you are and seek to be of service to them. But you have to choose carefully because you need to choose somebody who is going to be of service to you, who takes pleasure in giving. You take pleasure in giving to them, they take pleasure in giving to you. You're both healthy as individuals. Now that can turn into a really healthy relationship.
Steve just talked about the soulmate process, and that's the name of our upcoming virtual course that will be launching on July 30th, the day before our 24th anniversary.
That's right.
And it is
celebrate with us.
Celebrate with us, and just we're not promising you a hookup. We're not we're not going to give you all the best dating sites. We are all about, to us, what's real. What's real is Steve and I both went through very similar and replicable processes before we ever met each other. And when we told the stories to each other later, we're like, oh my gosh, you did that. I did this. And there was enough similarity in what we did to prepare to meet each other. And our marriage has lasted so long that we now feel confident that we can pass on lessons to students that will help them fall in love with themselves.
And what we wanted to do was to take something that would have cost thousands of dollars of coaching. Other people afterwards will get the pre-recorded versions, but you're going to be able to have the opportunity to be there with us live starting on July the 30th, going for 5 weeks. If you will go to soulmateprocess.com, you'll see that there's $100 discount off that price. But let's call this a wedding present to you, because we're starting this the day before our 24th anniversary. There is a special site you can go to get it for even more off, and that's at soulmatedeal.com. You go there and you can get the whole thing for only $97 as opposed to the $297.
So get that secret price at www.soulmatedeal.com.